What are the 4 pillars of education? Discover the key to holistic learning. Education is more than the acquisition of knowledge and skills. It's a lifelong process of understanding, growth, and transformation. It goes beyond the boundaries of classrooms and textbooks and seeps into every aspect of life, shaping how we perceive the world and our place in it. Education is a powerful tool that can unlock potentials, break down barriers, and foster societal progress. At its heart, education's purpose is to nurture individuals, not just intellectually, but also socially, emotionally, and morally, to prepare them for the challenges and opportunities of life. In order to better understand this comprehensive and dynamic nature of education, the International Commission on Education for the 21st Century, under the auspices of UNESCO and chaired by Jacques Delors, proposed the concept of the 4 pillars of education in their report, Learning, the Treasure Within. These pillars serve as guideposts for developing educational programs and practices that nurture the complete human being. The 4 pillars of education are learning to know, learning to do, learning to be, and learning to live together. Let's delve deeper into these pillars to understand how they provide a holistic framework for education. Learning to know. This pillar underscores the importance of a broad, foundational education and advocates for lifelong learning. It goes beyond the acquisition of a body of knowledge. It involves learning how to learn, by developing one's concentration, memory skills, and ability to think. For example, critical thinking and problem-solving tasks in school help in developing these skills. Encouraging self-directed learning, where students take the initiative in seeking knowledge, is another way of promoting this pillar. Learning to do. This pillar deals with equipping students with the skills to apply knowledge in real-world situations, particularly in employment. It's about more than specific job training. It also involves learning how to handle various situations, work in teams, and display competence in different environments. For instance, vocational training programs, internships, and project-based learning can give students a taste of the work environment and help them develop practical skills. Learning to be. This pillar emphasizes personal development to the fullest extent. It aims to nurture well-rounded individuals with a balanced, broad-based education. It encourages not only intellectual abilities but also the development of creativity, emotional intelligence, moral values, and physical abilities. This could manifest as arts and physical education programs in schools or activities that foster emotional health and mindfulness. Encouraging students to engage in hobbies, sports, and personal projects can also contribute to their overall personal development. Learning to live together. This pillar promotes social skills and values like respect, empathy, and understanding. It involves developing an understanding of others and their histories, cultures, and spiritual values, and cultivating a sense of community. This could be fostered through collaborative projects, cultural exchange programs, community service initiatives, and discussions on social issues. Education on global issues and cultures, along with fostering environments that encourage dialogue and understanding, can help students appreciate diversity and foster peaceful coexistence. In conclusion, the 4 pillars of education, learning to know, learning to do, learning to be, and learning to live together, provide a broad and holistic framework that can guide us in shaping education for the future. These pillars remind us that education is not just about academic achievement, but also about personal growth, acquiring practical skills, and fostering mutual understanding and respect. In a rapidly changing world, education must be dynamic and adaptable, focused not only on the imparting of knowledge but also on nurturing individuals who are capable of critical thinking, problem-solving, creativity, and collaboration. As we strive to create learning environments that foster these competencies, we are contributing to the development of well-rounded individuals equipped to face the challenges and opportunities of the 21st century. So, let's embrace the adventure of lifelong learning, exploring new ideas and perspectives, and growing together. After all, education is the treasure that can unlock our potentials, broaden our horizons, and empower us to make a difference in the world.